Mm-mm-mm. Mm. You gotta try this. So I'm gonna make a mango salsa. Now you can do either a roasted mango salsa or just regular. If your mangoes are pretty firm, I would recommend that you just lightly roast them over the fire. Just get a little bit of char on that flesh. That'll help to bring some of the sugars out. But if they are a little bit more ripe, then you can go ahead and just use them fresh. Now for this salsa, we are using some yellow onions, fresh jalapenos with the seeds and membranes in. You can choose to take that out if you want. I'm also going to use culantro instead of cilantro, so it doesn't give you that forward soapy taste, but it's still a fresh, delicious flavor that will give you that perfect bite in a salsa. I'm also going to be using my Blaxican seasoning. I'm going to make sure I have the mango salsa recipe written out on this video, so make sure you check that out. And then just go up to my website, check out the recipe, and see if this is something you want to make. But here's a question. Would you order this if I were to cater your party?